Hi, this is Jeff from Pro Steam Detailing, and today I'm going to walk around the Fortador Pro Plus with you. Pro Plus features a water tank, 2 detergent tanks, and a diesel tank. These are accessible from this flap here, or you can also open the hood and have access to them that way as well. The water tank is 25 liters, the detergent tanks are 5 liters apiece, and the diesel tank is 15 liters. And what that equates to in US is approximately 6.5 gallons for the water tank, a little over a gallon for both of the detergent tanks, and then just under 4 gallons for the diesel tank. That diesel tank will let you clean for 25 hours under normal use, so it's a very efficient unit. Turning on the unit, it's very important to make sure that the boiler drain is in the open position. This will allow water to flow out the drain and make sure that the boiler is cleaned and ready for use. After about 10 seconds, you can go up to about 45 seconds or so. And if the water looks clean, then you can close the valve, and then the boiler will begin pressurizing as the water pump fills it. The unit will pressurize to 16 bar, which is approximately 235 psi. And while it's doing that, we can go over the machine controls here. This shows that the diesel tank is full. All these are green. The water tank is full. The detergent 1 and 2 tanks are full. On the Pro Plus, the detergent 2 is a tank that you can use to inject detergent into your main steam hoses. And that is an exclusive feature of the Fortador units. And then also detergent 1 tank is available to put in Extractor shampoo or a low suds all-purpose cleaner that you can use to clean carpets with. Your screen may look different, by the way. This is a 2019 software model. All the features will be the same, they just might be in a little bit different place on your unit. This unit activates wet steam by pressing on this side, and that will make the steam out of the main steam hoses a lot more effective if you're cleaning a very heavily soiled surface. And on this side, it will activate the detergent 2 steam injection, so if you're cleaning engines or wheels, you can use that feature to clean more effectively. While the boiler is heating up and it's still under low pressure, you connect the steam hose, and this safety will allow you to stay safe in the operation of the unit. If this becomes disconnected for whatever reason, no steam is going to come shooting out of here, even if this valve is open. So you grab your steam gun and you pull the trigger while opening the valve while the burner is heating up, and that will release the air from the line and make your water pump last longer. It's a good idea when using the machine to set the wheel locks in the front so that it doesn't roll anywhere. The bottom of the unit features multiple ports that allow you to connect your extractor, your steam hoses. You have 3 drains for water, detergent 1, detergent 2, and then this is a connector for a hardline water. You can run a hose to it. That will eliminate the use of the water tank. But keep in mind, the design of this unit is to be able to steam wash both the inside and the outside of the car. And to do that, you want to use the Fortador Blue Wash system, and that is a polymer-based product that goes in the water and will prevent scratches on the outside of the paint while you're steam washing the car. Now that the unit is up to 16 bar, we are ready to steam wash. One of the many advantages of the Fortador Pro Plus and the Pro S units are that you can clean your engine with little or no detergents. So we have multiple options here. It's good just to start with these engine plastics with just steam, but you can pre-spray them. You can also use the detergent 2 tank and inject the steam with the detergent and clean your engine that way, but it's very easy to do. To make sure that your extractor is ready to use, you need to first plug in your shop-vac extractor unit, plug it in, and then this is the switch that you manually operate once your steam hose is connected. When you're done steam cleaning, what you need to do is you need to power off the machine by pressing the power button on the screen itself. Then we're going to unplug it, and then we're going to release the steam pressure. So it's off. You unplug it.